Confidence is an entrepreneur's superpower. It's not about grand gestures or overnight transformations. It's about stacking tiny rocks of courage one by one. So, how do we build this mountain of confidence? Number one, master your craft. When you know your stuff, confidence flows naturally. Dedicate time each day to sharpen your skills. Number two, face those fears. That first client call, terrifying, isn't it? But each time you push through, you're laying a brick in your confidence foundation. Number three, embrace failure. Yep, you heard that right. Each stumble is a gold mine of lessons. Analyze, adapt, and grow stronger. Number four, celebrate small wins. Landed a new client, nailed a presentation, do a little dance. Acknowledging progress fuels the confidence fire. Number five, surround yourself with supporters. Find your cheerleaders. Their belief in you will bolster your own confidence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is unshakable confidence. But with every tiny step of courage, you're getting there. Before you know it, you'll be standing atop the mountain of confidence, ready to conquer the business world. So, what's your next courageous step?